I'll be showing you how to change the default language in your Google account so that using Gemini, NotebookLM, and all those other AI products within Google, it's using Australian English or the language that you are from. Now this may not work all the time, but at least it's one step closer, and I'll also show you how to update the prompts in NotebookLM. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So go to your Google account, go to personal info, then you go to language. At the moment, see, it's using United States English. Change that. And here for your primary language, put in English. Now you won't see the Australian one yet. Click on English, select Australia, and then click Save. Okay, that's great. That's all done. So now when you use your Gemini or NotebookLM, the output will be in English Australian. Hope this video helped. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. In NotebookLM, just use this prompt here. So I'll put in use Australian English spelling, example, organization, color, center, license, and Australian terminology where appropriate. And then on top of that, I used use English, Australian English spelling, these examples, and Australian terminology where appropriate for infographic slide decks, audio overview, and video overview. Now, when I put in this prompt, it also started generating the infographic, the slide deck, the audio overview, and video overview. And I noticed that in those digital content, the spelling was actually correct. So I hope this helped.